Hi, I'm Steve and this is Abandoned, and today's a little bit of a different video. I'm going to quickly show you how to access and use the maps from the National Libraries of Scotland. I have lots of presets and bookmarks saved, but you won't, so I'm going to show you the way that you do it. So you go to Google and you type in National Libraries of Scotland. Obviously I've already got it in, but just go to the main homepage. Click on Digital Resources up here and then go to Map Images. This gives you the main map view of NLS, National Libraries of Scotland, and then click on Geo-Reference Maps. This will just dump you high above the UK, and then you can just zoom in to where you need to go. If you're unlike me and you don't know where things are just from a map, go to Bing Hybrid and change the transparency down here to, well, much lower, and you get a better idea of where things are. Or you can type in a name. Let's go to a random town. Let's go to Andover. So we're now hovering over Andover, and you can change the transparency, the overlay back again to see the old maps. Now we are currently looking at the map series 1885 to 1900 on the OS 1 inch. If you want more information about that, click on this little tab at the bottom here and I'll give you the details. We're currently looking at a map that was published in 1895, so there we go. If you want to change which map you're looking at, just click here and change. So you can go to the 1830s. You can see there's no map for Andover, but one has popped in up here. So this is a map. Click on it. You can see we're going for surveyed 1873 to 1879. So this is quite an old map. There's a very long straight road here. And it seems to veer off and go around here. I wonder if someone can explain why that happens. And, there's also 3D, and there's a way to view side by side, so you can click on side by side, and this allows you to do direct comparison left to right, so you can follow with your mouse a feature. So you can look at Foxcott Copse, for example, you can see where that was, or you can click on the, let's go to the 3D view. This is my favourite one because it gives you much better examples. Please wait while we load it into 3D. There we go. So you get a nice oblique view of things, but what you also get is a topography map. You can also exaggerate it if you're not seeing what you wish to see. So if I just head over to here, for example, where the Roman road curves around. If you want to know more about this, by the way, Paul Whitewick has done a whole video on it. He's also found a thing. He's great. You can change the vertical exaggeration. So you can have 2.4 times vertical exaggeration, so it looks like you're going to walk off a cliff. There we go. It's nowhere near this hilly in reality. What the Whitewicks did find, however, was like a terrace going down the side of this hill, which I wonder if we can see that with this. I doubt it. I don't think we'll be able to see it with that. I don't think it's detailed enough for their terrace. Let's give it 3 times exaggeration for the Whitewick Terrace. Where's it going to be? So you can view overhead. Oh look, you can see, by the way, here there's a hill fort. You can see how the hill fort's on top of the hill. Even the embankments, look, for the hill fort, they've come up. Obviously much exaggerated at this point, but it gives you a great idea. And yeah, this is a quick overview of how to use the National Libraries of Scotland maps. I can't see Paul's terrace. Well, if we go to LiDAR, and then turn off the overlay, we'll be able to see it then. I know, I want to find the Whitewick Terrace because I'm here now, might as well look for it. Oh, I've managed to crash it. The current layout on top is Wiltshire, great. So yeah, I'm currently looking at a blank screen. You will get this on the National Libraries of Scotland if you request a map and there is no map there, or it just decides just to not load. It just happens. But yes, that's a quick overview of the map. Yeah, see, no, I'm tripping over my words. That means I need to end the video. I'll see you next week for another thing that I decide to do. I don't know, I've not got any format now. I'm just making videos. Here's some content on your screen. See you next week.